How are you, my dear cadets? I hope you all are fine. Today we will be discussing structural properties of matter. So let us analyze the name of the topic at first. As you can see on the board, the name of the topic is structural property. To mean structure, we understand how an object is made of internally and externally. Internally means what is the way of bonding of the constituents particle, I mean atoms and molecules, and externally means how much strength is there, how much soft or how much rigid a body is due to its structure. I hope the analysis of the topic is very clear to you. Let us now go to the detail of the topic at the beginning. You know, a piece of iron is very hard, whereas a piece of carbon are bit soft. A glass of water is liquid and an amount of gas is gaseous, it is much more soft, and we cannot bound it in any frame without keeping it in any vessel, the liquid substance as well as the gaseous substance. On the other hand, we can keep anywhere a piece of solid substance. So why does it happen? It happens only due to its structure or due to its bond of the atoms and molecules inside of it. Accordingly, due to this structure, it also varies its physiological property, I mean external behavior. Some sorts of substance we use in our practical life for constructing the buildings. On the other hand, some we do use for our drinking purpose, some we do use for any other construction materials. So you can understand very easily how much essential to understand the basic structure or the basic way of construction of any substance. So let us go to the detail of this topic a bit. Let us suppose in a substance the molecules are arranged like this way. That means all the atoms inside the body will be at equal distance. In another substance, the molecules will be at like this. So we can see, depending on the way of arrangement of the molecules inside the substance, it may vary the shape of the shape or the size of the molecules. It is also defined as the crystal. You can see this is a rectangular shape crystal, on the other hand this is a pentagonal size of crystal. So it depends on the way of arrangement of the molecule inside the body. Now what does it happen? What does it happen due to this variation of the structure? You know, due to this variation of this structure, some body will have much more energy, internal energy. On the other hand, another body will have less amount of internal energy. The way the molecule will be arranged, that much energy will be prevail inside the body. Okay? And basing on this substance, somebody will be more strong or more rigid and somebody will be less rigid, or somebody will be liquid, somebody will be gaseous, somebody will be something will be a solid substance. We know that a piece of iron is very tough to extend, I mean to increase its length. On the other hand, a piece of rubber, it is a piece of iron. On the other hand, if it is a piece of rubber, a piece of rubber is very easy to extend at the other side, but a piece of iron is very tough to extend. Why? It is only because of this structure. Thank you. I will be discussing in our next topic how the structure of the other bodies can be formed. Thank you everybody. Stay fine, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.